So you guys love hot pot?
Yes.
For the first time when we make
Hot pot was good.
Yes.
It was tasty.
That was the first time when we're not doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was the idea how we do this.
Mm. So we are becoming experts in hot pot.
Yeah.
Yes. But sometimes we just forget something else.
Wow. So
I'm here, the expert chef.
yes, Mo is our expert chef who will make our hot pot today also. And we have some noodles which we have got from the market. When did you go to the market to buy the hot noodles for hot pot?
Yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yeah.
No, today. Yesterday. Yeah.
So Alima, what noodles have you got?
Chicken noodles.
From Koka. Yes. And yeah, also, what is that noodles you have got in your hand?
Koka Noodles brown flavor.
Yes. And Akam, what have you got?
Koka Noodles red flavor.
Yes. And Mua, what have you got?
Koka Noodles mushroom flavor.
Mmm.
Mushroom.
So you guys are going to mix all these in your hot pot.
Yes.
And
It will be very flavorful and
But,
tasty.
but the noodles sleepy, but only eat one and noodles sleepy.
Oh,
Mm.
mushroom,
Yeah.
brown chicken, and
So let's get our hot pot stuff ready.
okay.
And Chef Mua also will get ready to cook it for us.
Koka Noodles, Koka. Yeah, it's Koka. Oh, my noodles were great.
You can put the noodles now.
Give me. Give me fast, Mama. Open slowly, okay?
Put it here. Okay, just put it. Okay. Okay.
So you guys are expert in opening noodle packets.
Yeah.
Marshall, your one is more bigger. No,
Oh,
my
yeah.
one is bigger.
Yes.
There. No. God, this color. My one is the bigger one.
What was the smallest one?
Now put in all
No,
the
no. See, my one is
Mushroom
bigger one.
tastes better.
Same.
Because of mushroom.
put in your taste makers inside the container now.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, everything.
Everything.
Smells so good.
Don't worry. I'm really happy.
Because of this mushroom was very good. So good.
Put the oil.
Now let's get ready and cook it.
Okay.
On the stove.
Mama,
Put in.
The water.
sorry.
Wow. Don't come near, okay? He will spread some. Lot of water.
Now slowly, you stir it. Don't spill it. It's okay, we'll use the tongs. Don't worry, be happy. So you guys sing some songs for the noodles to get very nicely.
Please go coming! Eat the noodles. Please, ready, hurry.
Oh, wow.
Please, hot pot. Please cook. Please, hot pot. Please cook. I'll eat you.
Okay, want to eat come?
Candles.
Then Hakka, it's called candle.
Candle. is making
It'll
me
be a little
hungry.
spicy, guys. So can you eat it?
I think so. It's okay, I'll just get a cup and drink with water.
Yes, you can do that.
Oh, so many water.
But don't get near the nipples. No, that's not water, okay? That's soup. Yeah,
So you'll have a soupy.
because water makes Wait,
Hot
noodle.
pot. Hot pot will be having watery soup.
But, Daddy, you know, if we put a noodle with water, the noodle I think the things will go to the water to make the soup.
Smell good.
Wow. Wow.
It
Smell
smells
good.
good.
Smell good.
Oh,
Don't worry, Mwah. And be happy, Mwah. The fire smoke from coming out. Beware.
So how does it smell, guys?
Good. But,
Chef, do you think those taste good also?
yes.
but I want some color.
It smells mushroom.
Smells mushroomy.
Yeah.
Yes. So you remember your flavor? What was your flavor?
Mushroom.
And my one is chicken.
And yeah, what was your flavor? Prawn. Yes. And Akum, what was your flavor? Crab. So it will be
Two seafood.
two seafood, one mushroom, one chicken. I think all the flavor will be there. It will be very, very tasty.
You near seafood?
I think even our friends watching this video, they will be very hungry. Their mouth will be watering like that.
I'm drinking seafood.
Only chef did chicken. So.
But you know what? You can do this. Like, so water. It's okay. I still like it. Me too. Oh my god.
Take out one noodle piece and taste it. See whether it's ripe or not. Take out in a spoon. Yes.
It's a snake from Oh.
What? No, not my hand.
You can give one more, some few noodles to your friends. And tell whether it's ready or not.
Good. Ready. Hot, hot. Hot,
This
hot,
guy.
hot, 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 hot. No, it's a but it's
Okay.
not.
What?
It's ready.
It's ready.
So give chef, you can taste yourself and see
Wait.
and tell whether it's ready or not.
Good. Give me. Mamma mia.
It's ready.
It's ready.
Mamma mia.
Take down our cooking.
Just like this, like a ramen. Hungry. I'm hungry. It's hungry.
Don't cry.
Eat up, guys.
Yeah, twist.
One shot.
It's hot. Be careful.
Twist it. Look, mine. Mommy.
So we've got chopstick eaters.
No. Can you cool it down?
It's hot. Oof.
But it's still not cooling. That's it.
How did the hot pot come out? What?
Good. It's tasty.
Akam?
A little bit hot also. Because chicken.
Spicy.
Yeah, that's spicy.
Yes.
Not spicy.
For Yaya also.
What do you need to do? This hot pot doesn't hot. The soup is making this hot.
Yeah.
It's still hot, soup. Let's forget fall down.
The soup is a bit spicy.
Yeah.
So I
Because of the oil.
So you guys have finished the hot pot.
Yes.
But I'm still hungry. I'll make some more hot pot.
Okay. See, all the vessel is empty. You have finished, guys. You have demolished your hot pot.
Yeah.
But
I'm proud of you guys. You have done it.
Yeah.
And we'll have a next hot pot also season next time.
after we finish, we're going to eat some more hot pot.
Yeah. Dima's stomach is not yet filled. After that much hot pot went inside also. He's still hungry.
But I did do the poopy after eating the hot pot.
Yeah. So let's say bye-bye to our friends.
Bye-bye! If you like the video, please like and subscribe! Ay, shucks. Fat. Who farted? Fat. No, a really good smell. Oh, fat. I think you farted.
Don't forget.
Yeah. I think Akam is farting and he's smelling himself.
No.
Don't forget.
No.
There's some fart bones here.
No, Lima farted. No. The soup farted?
No.
I think the noodle farted.
Noodles can fart.
Noodles can
Noodles
fart.
can.
Noodles can fart and do fart. Yeah.
Noodles don't
I read. I don't like this. The job of noodles are to go into our stomach. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I will eat and clean.